Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all the love and support on the other videos. So we're just gonna keep this thing going. I actually have two installs today. We're gonna be doing the Tailtidy and the LED tail light like I promised you guys. Finally got everything done and taken care of. Just before I continue with the video, I ended up taking this to Moto Forza to finish the install for the taillight itself, simply because I don't like messing with wiring. And yeah, like as you guys can see, like it looks absolutely amazing with this. But I'll go ahead and show you guys what it actually looks like when the indicator's on. So we'll just go ahead. Everything works fine. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like with the hazards. Yeah. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Just, you know, something to make it look a little bit better and have a little bit more of that personal touch on it. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the install and I'll show you guys what all I had to do. All right, so something I forgot to mention in the previous video of the install of the exhaust. So when you're looking at these, I don't know if all of them are like this, but they do have, like, you know, either blue or red on them. Blue is going to be for the right and left is going to be red. Yeah, like this. So basically you just have two hex heads. Then you're going to have washers and two nuts. So just gonna put the hex head Alright, so for this part you're gonna actually need a 7/32, which is standard. I don't know why it's standard. And then the actual hex head is a 2mm. So I don't know why they did that combination, but that's what it is. All right, so I'm done messing with this. I'm just gonna take this piece off and then we're gonna put this and this together and go ahead and install it on the bike, and then I'll put my license plate on it and we'll call it a day. So you're gonna need these bolts right here. So you're gonna need these big bolts that you got. They're the only big ones that you get in the package. So you're gonna put one washer on here, and then of course they give you another washer and nut. So you know, this washer goes with the nut on the opposite side. Put them together, bada bing, bada boom. So I'm just gonna leave these kind of like loose because I'm gonna obviously have to adjust this part. So we'll go ahead and take this bolt, put a little anti-seize on it. No, actually, well, there's some right here. I'll just
right there. And that's about all you really need. Anti-seize is a lot like anti-seize is a lot like Loctite, where you don't really need that much, so less is better. So now we're just gonna take this over to the bike, and we're gonna install it.
Alright guys, so now that we have that part done, we actually finally got something in the mail. So let's go ahead and check out what we got, because I think we got a little something from our friends at GP Racing. Whoa, nice.
This is absolutely beautiful. Shout out to Alex from My GP Racing for throwing this in there. I really appreciate it. And there she is, guys. This is gonna look absolutely beautiful on this bike. Like, I can just... Oh yeah, I can just see it now. It's gonna make this bike look so much more nasty, especially with this beautiful BODIS titanium exhaust. We're gonna go ahead and take these off. We're gonna go ahead and take these little turn signals off, and we're gonna install this. So it'll just clean up the back end,
And I really like having integrated lights versus having just normal stuff. I like customizing stuff. So, you know, that's just how I've always been. I mean, every bike I've had, I've done something to. So, you know, when I get my dream bike, I mean, obviously I'm gonna go all out. So yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll get this thing installed, and yeah.
All right guys, so I went ahead and, you know, deconstructed everything. If you guys need to see how to do it, it's really not that hard. I mean, it's just like this one right here, and then underneath like down right up under here, there's another bolt. But
I actually showed that in the BODIS exhaust install. So if you guys want to see the whole teardown process for the back end, it's not that difficult, but if you want to see it, then it's in that video.
So back to this. So this little piece right here actually comes out. It's just held in by these bolts right here. So I already loosened everything up. So we're just gonna go ahead and pretty much unscrew all of this. unscrew all this. And I'm actually gonna set the camera down. So the two on the inside are actually just slightly, just a little bit shorter than the outside ones that hold that little Y bracket. Like, you know, as you can tell, this is the inside one. This is the outside one that holds that little Y piece. So just for a reference. All right, guys, well, I got this off. So if you guys look right here, so right here, like this part of the subframe, it'll have this little band right here, and you just undo that and you can actually unclick the connector, and that'll allow you to you know, you just pull this up a little bit and you can actually pull the light out. So I mean, fairly simple. We'll just go ahead and throw in the new tail light and we should be good. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna show you exactly how it's wired up. So basically, like, all they did was they took the red wire and they used the solid yellow. So solid yellow to the red on for the left one, and you're gonna have the yellow stripe is gonna go to the red that is on the right side. So right side has the striped one, and the left one is the solid yellow. Now, if you guys just give them your bike and it still has the factory, like, you know, turn signals on it, then, you know, obviously they'll just, like I said, they'll just use what's given from there. They'll chop it off, and then they'll do this. They'll, you know, get everything put on there. I decided to just let them do it because I don't want to mess anything up, and then, you know, then I don't want to mess anything up at all. So I was just like, okay, well, there's certain things I know how to do, like I know my limitations, so I'm just gonna say screw it, give it to them, because it actually came with resistors, as you guys, you know, saw in the video, and I didn't want to mess with that. But they said that this bike actually didn't need it, like the resistors actually made it worse with the flashing. So just keep that in mind. If you guys buy this tail light, you guys do not need the resistors. Like, I don't know why they came with resistors. Maybe it's a 2010 to 2012 thing, but I have a 2013 and they said that it flashed like way too quick. So you don't have to worry about resistors. So you guys can, you know, do this at home if you guys are comfortable with it. Like I said, I would have done it if I knew it was that easy. I probably would have just did it myself. But like I said, I didn't want to take any chances. So, you know, with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys like the video. Let me know what I can do better with these videos, because I'm still new to this, you know, obviously. So just let me know if there's anything I can do better, like whether it's just more details or just showing more stuff. Just let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.